Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring. Use a 3:1 oil to acid ratio because the higher oil content coats bread without sogginess. Combine acid, vinegar, or lemon, Dijon, salt, and pepper in a bowl so flavors integrate. Whisk briefly to dissolve salt. This activates flavor. Once the base is uniform, start streaming oil in a thin, steady line while whisking vigorously. You do this to create an initial emulsion, small droplets suspended in liquid. Once the oil is streaming in, keep whisking with varied tempo. Slow, steady strokes, then brisk, short bursts to break larger droplets into finer ones. If the emulsion looks separated, whisk harder or use a stick blender for 5–10 seconds to rebind it. Taste now and adjust. Add more acid for zip, more oil to mellow, or a pinch of salt to lift flavors. You can fold in honey or minced shallot for sweetness and texture. Fresh herbs add aroma just before use. You finish by applying vinaigrette strategically. Brush a thin layer on bread surfaces and toss fillings lightly so sandwiches stay crisp. If you make extra, pour into an airtight jar and refrigerate. The oil will firm up, but that's fine. Shake to re-emulsify. Make sure to bring chilled vinaigrette to room temp briefly before use for easy spreading. If the dressing breaks or separates, don't waste it. Add 1 teaspoon warm water or a small squeeze of mustard and whisk, or shake vigorously to bring it back together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.